Sir, we have to copy that answer, sir. Previous one.
Oh my God. Arey, once we exit the meeting, the previous writing will not come again here. It's gone. You will have to now get to the recording. I'm so sorry for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yeah. Yep. Gargi had wanted to ask something related
Yes,
to the
sir.
second question, right? Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, we had found the answer as 81, right?
Hmm.
1 minute.
Sorry, can you please
Which is
repeat the
3
question
power
once again?
4.
After 81, what did you say?
Which is 3 power 4.
Mm-hmm.
So then, with trial and error method, we found out 3 power 3, 9, and 3 power 5 is 2. 3 power 5 is not 81, which adds up to 90, right? 3 power,
Wait, wait, wait,
3
wait, wait.
power
This
5
is
is
the
243. So,
4 minus 1,
how
4
is it
plus 1.
matching?
Oh my God, oh my God. Just a minute. 3 raised to so,
Sir,
3
3 to
raised
the
to
power
4.
4
Oh,
है.
just a minute, just a minute. I'll tell you. See, this is 3 raised to 4, correct? Which is equal to x raised to 4. So the value of x is 3, not 4. Okay?
Then, so x is equal to 3.
Hmm.
So then, oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Eighth one. Find the value of y where this is happening. Okay. This is equal to this. Now let us break this down one by one. First of all, let us take the simple cube roots and square roots, and then let's see what's going to happen. Now over here, this is 0.008 ka cube root that goes as 0.2. Matlab, how to solve this? I'll just simply tell you. Convert this as 8 upon 1000. Okay, and then take the cube root. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir, you taught in cube and cube roots.
Yes. So there goes, this is 2 upon 10, that goes 0.2. So this is 0.2. Now this is, tell me.
16. Sir, 16.
Very good. It's 16. ठीक है. And और कुछ है क्या simple? Over here, this cube root can directly convert the 64 and make it
4.
4. Very
4.
good. Very good.
Sir, 4 upon 10.
Yes,
4
like
by
that.
10.
Yep. And this can make this number 10. So far, so good?
Sir, y minus 1 will remain in the under root, right?
Yes. It will become y minus 1. And wait. No, 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 no. Y minus will not remain in the under root because this cube root is what? Par. Y minus 1 is also a par. Both are indices. And 64 is the number. Understood?
Acha, y minus 1 is power.
Sir, it is
Ah,
64 into y minus 1 or 64 raised
हाँ,
to?
no.
even I thought it
64
was
raised to.
64 into.
थोड़ा
हाँ,
सा
Okay.
एलिवेशन है सी 4 का बेस यहाँ पर है एंड ये नंबर
अच्छा.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर है ना.
Okay, got it.
हम्म.
हाँ.
ठीक है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू राइट द सिंप्लीफाइड नंबर एंड हाँ एक और चीज करता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर ओवर हियर आई हैव 4 रेज टू वाई बाई 1 ना. तो यहाँ पर भी इसको ना 128 को let me try to convert it into 4 or 2 or something like that. I can convert it into 2, I believe. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 होना चाहिए ना, 2:6 होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से। 1 2 3 4
Yes, sir.
4 में
2
तो
raised to
16 होता है,
6.
5 में 32, 6 में 64, 7 में 128। दिस इज 2:7, राइट? यू गॉट
Yes.
माई पॉइंट? हाँ। सो
Yes.
बिकॉज यहाँ पर
Yes,
भी
sir.
2 है, यहाँ पर भी 2 है, इस 4 को भी मैं 2 कर सकता हूँ, एंड ओवर हियर ऑल्सो आई कैन क्रिएट 2। सो लेट मी convert everything in terms of 2. So the numerator goes like this. Numerator में I'll write 1 upon 2 raised to 7 जो है ना, I'll give it over here only. 7 multiplied by 3y minus 1. Am I clear?
So 3y minus 1 can be simplified, na 21y minus 7.
Definitely I can do that, but I'm right now not going to do it just to avoid confusions. Okay? So this is the first
Okay,
step,
sir.
what I'm
Sir,
writing.
can you repeat?
Yes, definitely I can repeat. What I'm doing is I'm converting this 128. See here now, my first step was what? First step was to simplify whatever numbers I can. So this number was without y, I simplified it. This number was also without y, I simplified. This number was with y, but again, थोड़ा सा simplification possible था, I simplified. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Now, the next step is what? I have to deal with y now. Now, while dealing with y, I can see that y के नीचे यहाँ पर the base is 128 or 1 upon 128. On the other hand, I have 1 upon 2. On the other hand, I have 4 upon 10 or something. No, only 4. Upon 10 तो different number है. Only 4 I have in the bases. So I thought, why not to convert them into a common number? Like over here, 4 को मैं 2 बना सकता हूँ, इधर तो ऑलरेडी 2 है, इधर 128 है, 128 को भी I will convert it in terms of 2. So 128 is basically what?
2 power 7.
Yes. So that's what I've done over here. So instead of writing 1 upon 128, I've written 1 upon 2, where I've given a power 7 over here. Am
Okay,
I
sir.
clear? Great. Now
Yes, sir.
multiplied by this number, which is 0.2, or maybe you can write it as 2 upon 10, just for the sake of simplification. And in the denominator, you have 16 as well. This is my LHS. And now I'm going to write about my RHS. Okay. Or maybe I'll do one thing just to make my life more easier. What I'll do, multiplied by 2 upon 10, and then I'll write the 16 also, I'll write over here also. It doesn't matter कि 16 डिनोमिनेटर में इसके नीचे डालो या इसके नीचे डालो. It actually doesn't matter. Nobody cares. Okay. On the other side, I will write 1 by 2 raised to 2y by minus 9. Sorry. Multiplied by, over here I already have 4. I will write it as 2 raised to 2. And then I have y minus 1. Divided by, I have 10. This much, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Why did you take 16 in the 2 by 10 into 16? Means why did you
This
take it
16.
there only?
Sorry, where? Here. Because, okay, if you want to write here, you can write. I don't have a problem. I wrote it over here just because ये already fraction में है, उसके नीचे एक और fraction डाल के क्यों बड़ा
Okay.
दिखाना है? Just avoiding to
Oh,
show big, because it is not that big. It's a simple one.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Anyway, this denominator's 10 and this denominator's 10 gets cancelled. I'm cancelling basic numbers whichever I can. This 2 and this 16, they get cancelled, and I'll get 8 over here. So far it's clear.
Sir, what did you cancel with 10?
The LHS and RHS 10.
Acha, oh.
Sir, can you
This 10.
explain how you got 16 one more time?
16 is root of 256, which is already
No,
there in
sir.
the denominator.
2 by 10 into 16. How you got that?
Again, 16 is already there in the denominator. The same 16 I have wrote over here. I have to write 16 somewhere, right? It's a denominator, my dear
Yes.
child.
Okay, so you have just done 1 by 2 raised to that something into 2 by 10 into 1 by 16. So you have got
Ha,
16 into the denominator. Okay, okay.
correct. Okay. So this
Sir, I
is
have a
divided
doubt.
by 8. Yes, Rishik, tell me what's your doubt?
Sir, You wrote 1 by 2 whole raised to 7 bracket y 3y minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
So can you write 2 niche like uh, under the divide sign?
This two
So
or this two?
like you wrote in the 0.2 one.
Okay, okay, okay. I understood what you're trying to say. Like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Why not? It's actually the same only. Yes, I'll write like this.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now, my next target is what? Okay, हर जगह 2 है. The only thing is over here I have 2 in the denominator. Here also 2 in the denominator. Here I have 2 in the numerator. What I'll do, I'll take 2 in the numerator for all of them. Okay, for all of them. Everywhere I'm going to do the same now. So I'll take this 2 in the numerator. This will become 2 raised to minus 7 multiplied by 3y minus 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Here I have 1 by 8. This I can, 1 by 8 is basically what? 2 cube,
2 cube.
correct? So since it is in the denominator, when I take it to the numerator, it will become 2 raised to minus 3. Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So for others who might have not understood, I'm just telling you 1 by 8 is 1 upon 2 raised to 3. That will give you 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to. On the other hand, I have 2 raised to again minus 2y minus 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to, on the other side, I have, sorry, is equal to me, my bad, multiplied by 2 raised to 2 in the bracket y minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, everywhere I have to, mera kaam ho gaya. I simply have to solve the indices now. So, I will have minus 7 3y minus 1. Here it's multiplication which means plus. लेकिन बाद में minus आ रहा है तो plus of minus minus ही हो जाएगा. Minus 3 is equal to minus 2y minus 9. It's a multiplication plus 2 in the bracket y minus 1. So let me just open the brackets and solve so that I can find y. I'm supposed to
So
find y
minus
only.
21y
हो सकता है. Yeah. अच्छा, here minus 21y minus minus plus
plus
7
7
minus 3 is equal to minus
minus
2y
2y
minus
plus
minus,
9
yeah, 9 plus 2y
minus
minus
2.
2. Minus 2y plus 2y gets cancelled. 0 हो जाता है answer. This is minus 21y. 7 minus 3, 4. It goes to the other side. It becomes minus 4. Minus, and over here, 9 minus 2, 7 it is. 7 minus 4, 3 it is. So on the left hand side, I'll have minus 21y. On the right hand side, I'll have 3.
3.
Yep. Correct. 3.
So none of these.
Yeah, y is equal to minus 1 by 7 it will become.
Yes, sir.
You have plus 1 by 7, but not minus 1 by 7.
Nine. अच्छा, you took 7 minus 3 4 to the RHS, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we expect such long sums in the exam?
Maybe one or two, not more than that.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So what's the answer?
Minus 1 by 7. So maybe it's a printing error. It's a wrong
Okay,
question. Hmm.
okay, sir.
Option is 2, right?
Option 2 है, but you'll have to introduce a negative sign over there.
So where? In the option only.
Yes. Because
Okay.
we have got minus 1 by 7 and the option I can see only plus 1 by 7.
Okay, sir.
There is minus. My bad. Because of the red ink, I could not see that minus. Option 2 is your correct answer.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, in under root of 256, sir, it can also be 16. Sir, but minus 16 का square is also 256.
Minus 16 square is it can be plus 16 or minus 16. Correct, correct. But generally, whenever we take the square root, we consider the positive values only, unless it is specifically mentioned in the question.
Okay, sir.
Can you take a screenshot so that I can proceed further? Okay,
Yes, sir. Done.
great. Ninth question. So in this case, again, we are supposed to find the value of x where something is given. And let's try to decode that now. Just do one thing. I'll just take this paper. अब थोड़ा सा solving space मिल जाएगा. Yep, here it is. Find the value of x. Like over here, 4 raised to 1 by 3, obviously, 1 by 3 multiplied by 5x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 256. 1 upon 256, this is actually 4 raised to 4. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 1 upon means 4 raised to minus 4. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's it. हो गया अपना काम.
2 raised to minus 8.
Yes, sir. 1 by 3 into 5x plus.
Yeah. I'll take 3 to the other side. I'll take LCM over here. So that there goes 10x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 12. This will be 10x plus 1 is equal to minus 24. That gives 10x is equal to minus 25.
Minus 23. Sir,
Minus
sorry,
25.
25.
X is equal to
Oh, sir,
minus 2.
23, na?
No. Plus 1 goes to the other side to become minus
Cha
1.
minus.
Okay. And minus 2.5 is your answer. Option 3.
Sir, we can solve it by means we can just do it 5x by 3 plus 1 by 6, right?
5x by 3 plus 1 by 6. Yes, वैसे भी कर सकते
So it will be 11x by 6.
हैं.
So the answer is coming minus 24 by 11 then.
नहीं 11x कैसे होगा? 5x और 6 6 10 10x by 6 हो जाएगा ये. एलसीएम ले रहे हो?
सर हाउ एलसीएम लिया तो मैंने पहले 1/3 को दोनों इसमें मल्टीप्लाई किया तो वो 5x/3 होता है प्लस 1/6 होता है
वेट.
और जब मैं ऐड करता हूँ
5x
तो
by
फिर
3 plus 1 by 6. एलसीएम मतलब इन दोनों को ऐड करना नहीं होता है, बेसिकली डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना होता है. डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करने के लिए आप ऊपर नीचे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. दैट
हाँ
विल गिव यू 10x upon 6 plus 1 by 6.
ओके ओके अंडरस्टूड
देन
सर
10 plus 1 is not 11. उसको सेपरेटली कंसिडर करना होगा. ये 6
हाँ
को दूसरे
ओके
साइड
सर
भेजोगे, देन 1 को माइनस करके दूसरे साइड भेजोगे, ऐसा. ओके.
ओके सर ओके सर
Option 3. Yeah. Let's go for the next question. Find the value of m where this is given. Everything is 5 raised to something. So 5 raised to something में convert करते हैं. I think this is an error. I think this should be 5 raised to m. I suppose it should be 5 raised to m because everyone is 5 raised to something. Yep. Anyway, so इसको मैं 5 raised to m consider करूंगा and then I'll solve. I probably should get the correct answer. So here I have 5 raised to 3 minus m. This 25 can be written as 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5m minus 2. Divided by 5 raised to m can be written as multiplied by 5 raised to minus m is equal to 5 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4. So there goes 3 minus m plus, I'm directly writing this, 2 into 5 is 10m minus 2 into 2 is 4 minus m is equal to 4. So minus m is minus 2m plus ये हो जाएगा 8m. There goes 8 and there goes 5. M is equal to 5 by 8. Do we have anything like that? We don't.
No, sir.
So probably it's a wrong question. Probably it should be something else over here. Because 5m itself is a wrong question. 5 multiplied by m तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. Because your base should be same. So if there are variables on the indices, they won't give you variables on the base. Because index आप तभी solve कर पाओगे जब आपका base without variable free होगा. Base जब same होगा तभी आप solve कर पाएंगे. Understood?
Yeah, so variable should always be in the index form, right?
For this chapter, yes. For this chapter, variables are generally, not always, generally on the index. ऐसा कंपल्सन नहीं है. बेस में भी दे सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर बेस में देंगे तो फिर इंडेक्स में नहीं देंगे, कोई एक जगह पे देंगे.
Okay.
Sir, they will not give it on both sides, or it is not possible to give on both sides.
See, obviously, for higher classes, it is definitely possible. Not for your grades.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Rishik, tell me what's your query?
Sir, I had a doubt. How did you
Mhm.
get 8m is equal to 5?
It's 10m minus m minus m. That gives you 8m. Okay.
No, sir, the 5 part I didn't understand.
3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 goes to the other side and becomes plus
Acha,
1.
got it.
Okay.
Sir,
ठीक.
my internet was lagging. The options are wrong, right?
Yeah, options are wrong.
Okay, thank you.
ठीक है. Going for the 11th question. Find the value of x in this. Where is x? हाँ, here I have x. So the base is same, तो base का तो tension है ही नहीं. Directly index से ही काम चला लेते हैं. So I have 5 by 2 plus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 3x minus 1. Now I'll take LCM over here. It goes 15 plus 14 divided by 6 is equal to minus 3x minus 1.
Sir, you
बोलो
excuse me, sir.
बोलो बोलो, I'm listening.
Sir, you didn't wrote -1, but it should be -3, right?
My bad. It should be minus. Correct. By the way, minus 3 को भी इस तरफ लेके आना. I'll just rewrite this as. Okay, I'll just add one more step. So what I'll do, I'll write 5 by 2 plus 7 by 3 plus 3 is equal to minus 3x. So now when I'll take LCM, this goes 15 plus 14 plus 18 divided by 6 is equal to minus 3x. So when I'll add everyone, I get 15 plus 14, 29, 39, 49, 47. 47 divided by 6. That is equal to x. minus 47 divided by 6. That is chais
How you
to
got
Sir, what
minus
about minus
47?
3?
Yes, and how
minus,
you got minus 47?
my bad. It's not minus, I'll tell you, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. 3 को इस तरफ multiply किया, 6 and 3 multiplies to give you 18. And how did I get 47? 15 plus 14 is 29. 29 plus 18 is 47. And
Okay,
this
sir.
minus sign, it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 47.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And your, I don't see, divided by 18 तो है, 47 नहीं है. Let me just observe कुछ मिस किया क्या मैंने. 5 by 2, 7 by
Sir,
3.
it's right. The answer is option 1.
Yes, sir. Option 1 only. Minus 2, 11 by 18.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. अच्छा इन्होंने लिखने का,
So
you
mixed
know this,
fraction.
in mixed fraction we never use minus, sorry, we never use bracket.
Yeah, sir, it's confusing, so
Yes,
it's removed.
sir.
This bracket resembles a multiplication, so I was under the impression this is 22 by 18, whereas
Uh,
it is minus 2. 2 मतलब 36 चला गया, then 11
11
by
by 18.
18. They should have written like this यार. ठीक है.
Sir, if it was 2 whole minus 11 by 18, then also it would be correct, right?
नो, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कभी भी नेगेटिव साइन अंदर नहीं आता. प्रीवियसली आल्सो यू हैड आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन वंस. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में द नेगेटिव साइन ओनली बिलोंग्स टू द मेन नंबर,
Okay.
नॉट द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन.
Only the whole number. So there is no,
यस.
we don't prefer to say that fraction.
हम्म.
Okay, sir.
ओके. प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर. गिवन दैट, ओके थोड़ा सॉल्व करने लगे. गिवन दैट 2 raised to 3x plus 2y is equal to 128 and 4x plus 3y upon 2 is equal to 256. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and
So
y.
that is 4 raised to or 4 into?
It should be 4 raised to.
Yes.
Hmm.
It
It should
can
be
be 4
4 raised
into
to.
also.
Now,
Because
in this
256
case,
is
yeah,
divisible by 4.
I understand, but this number is very huge. So we here the number
Yes,
is going to
sir.
be very small, and here the number is going to be very huge. So that creates an ambiguity. Imbalanced equation it will create. Okay. So hence I'll prefer this is 4 raised to only, not 4 multiplied by. So 3x. Okay. Here 128 can be written as 2 raised to 7. I'll write this as 2 raised to 7. I'll write this as 2 raised to 8. Or maybe 4 raised to 4, 256. So that gives me the first equation as 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. That's the first equation. The second equation goes like this. X plus 3y by 2 is equal to 4. So fraction अगर हटाएंगे, so that goes 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Okay. So this is your first equation. This is your second equation. Do you know to solve equations simultaneously?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. तो बाकी तो
Yes,
आपको
sir.
पता ही है
Yes,
कि
sir.
क्या करना है. So you'll be multiplying the first equation by, let's say अगर x अगर ले रहा हूँ तो first equation by 2, and I'll be multiplying the second equation by 3, and then I'll be subtracting them. So first equation को I'll multiply by 2, that gives me 6x plus 4y is equal to 14. I'll multiply second equation by 3, that gives me again 6x plus 3 नहीं 9y. 9y is equal to 24. I'll just subtract them. So 6 and 6 cancels. 9 minus 4, 5y is equal to, this is 10. That gives me y is equal to 2. So once I get y is equal to 2, I'll substitute it in any of the equations. So 2x plus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 2, x equal to 1, x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Option 1 is your correct answer. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. I believe next one you can easily do. It's a homework. Is it doable?
Yes, sir.
The 14th one is
What
also
you have
doable.
written dash 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 in the
This
uh,
one
sum you did? No, sir. In the left
here.
hand side.
Basically, I did
Yes.
subtraction. Subtraction करते second वाले का sign change हो जाता ना. It becomes all the positives becomes
Okay.
negative. वही किया मैंने.
And if it was minus 4 while minus, then you would have written plus.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. The 14th one is also doable. First you will take fifth root and then you will take then you will make it this क्या बोलते हैं उसको cube. Okay, we have done similar problems many times, so just try it out. Okay. 13th and 14th I'm giving homework. This homework you will have to do by the next class so that we can discuss the doubts in the next class itself. Let me just see. 15th one also is a similar problem. 16th. Okay. 13 to 17 I'm giving as homework because I feel they are doable. They are very similar to what we have already done so far. And simple also, not difficult, not so difficult also. And for other enthusiasts, definitely you guys can try the remaining problems as well. But anyway, I'll be solving all the problems. That's a different story. Okay. But if you guys are doing as homework, we'll be definitely able to solve faster. Okay. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही काफी हो जाएगा. Can you explain 11th problem? Okay, I'll explain 11th problem, not a problem.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
actually, when will you take the means in the workbook? Some questions are wrong. So can you just check if they are wrong? Means 2 or 3 questions I found wrong.
It's okay. Whatever wrong questions you're finding, you can just mark them down. After completing couple of chapters, we'll just take a doubt solving session where we can discuss those questions. Not a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we can leave.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Can we leave?
Yes. Somebody asked me to solve the 11th question once again. So I'll be solving the 11th question. In case if anyone is having doubt in that question, you can stay. Otherwise, you guys can leave. Not a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Yeah.
So
Bye-bye.
thank you, sir. Sir.
So my dear child, it's like the base is same. So मैं directly I'll solve index. So 5 by 2 multiplication means plus 7 by 3 then is equal to minus 3x minus 3. So I take minus 3 to this side. That gives me 5 by 2 plus 7 by 3 plus 3 is equal to minus 3x. When I take LCM, I'll get 15 plus 14 plus 18 upon 6 is equal to. Gargi, tell me what's your query?
Sir, I have doubt in the next question.
Hmm. So minus 47 upon 18 is equal to x is my answer. And this can be written as a mixed fraction as minus 2, then 11 by 18. And that is my correct answer. Okay, I don't remember who asked the doubt. Sanjeev. I believe Sanjeev, your query is answered. Okay, I assume that as an S. Yes. Gargi, in 12th question, what is your query? Tell me.
Sir, you found out equation to 2x plus 3y. After that, I didn't understand what you did.
That was a process called as solving equations simultaneously. You're not aware of that process?
No.
Okay, so whenever you have two equations, in this case it was 7, and the second equation was 2x plus 3y is equal to, it was 8. 8 ही था ना नहीं 6 what it was
8 only,
4
sir.
raised to 4
2x
हाँ
plus
8
3y is equal to
हाँ
8.
correct. So basically, first of all, what we'll do, we can multi. This is equation number one, and this is equation number two. We can do anything. we can add them, we can subtract them, but we have to make sure that हमारे ये process करने से some at least x is getting cancelled or y is getting cancelled. So x, my target is to cancel x in this case, or you can target to cancel y also, your wish. So if you wish to cancel x, what do you have to do? You have to make them, you have to bring them into same number. So for that, what I'll do, I'll multiply by 3 over here and multiply by 2 over here. So that brings me to the new equation, that is 6x plus 9y is equal to 24, and 6x plus 4y is equal to 14. Okay, so this is my new equation, which I've brought by multiplying the numbers, and it is allowed. We can multiply or divide by the same number. Okay, not by different numbers, by the same numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And once you have this, now there are only two options. Either you add both the equations or subtract both the equations. So when you're subtracting, what happens? All the sign changes. This is a positive sign, it becomes negative. This is a positive, it becomes negative. This is a positive, it becomes negative. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 4, 5y. 24 minus 14, 10. And that's how you solve y. Y is equal to 2. And you substitute this y is equal to 2 anywhere. You want to put over here, 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 you put anywhere and solve to find the x. Any one, not all. कोई भी एक जगह पे डालो, you will get the value of x.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay? चलो, bye. Take care. Good night.
So
Bye,
could you
sir.
just show the options for
Good
question
night.
number 17 once?
Sure. Here it is.
Oh yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah. चलो, bye bye.